How to transfer Bitcoin to your bank. One of the most common questions people ask is how to transfer Bitcoin to a bank account. Technically, banks don't support Bitcoin directly, but you can still move the value by selling it first. Here's how it works. Bitcoin lives in a wallet, and wallets can only send to other Bitcoin wallets, not banks. So to turn Bitcoin into cash, you need to use a platform with an exchange like Cash App, Coinbase, Strike, Robinhood, or Binance. Once your Bitcoin is in one of these apps, tap sell to convert it into your local currency, for example, US dollars. After the sale, the money will show up as cash in your ad balance. From there, tap cash out to transfer it to your linked bank account. Choose standard for a free deposit or instant for a small fee. And that's it, you've successfully turned Bitcoin into cash and moved it to your bank. Every major exchange works the same way. So once you sell your Bitcoin, withdrawing to your bank is just a few taps away.